All right, I don't usually do this with 42 minutes left in the session, but I've got something going on tonight, so I won't be able to work on this. So I'm making my video a little early, so if there's any late day big movers, hopefully we'll work together in the pre-market tomorrow and add them to the list. But here's what I've got for watching tomorrow. I actually made a video of this real quick. SI paid us again. You can see my second mouse call through 22. It broke 22 earlier here. I liked it back through 22 and went pretty quickly. You can't see it there, but I think to 24 at one point. And now, real quick, you can see the SPY there, pretty narrow range, and it's, let me show you SPY real quick. Kind of selling off right now. We'll see how it closes, but well, let me go back to SI. SI's been selling off ever since, and so, you know, this is, people might say, well, why was he watching SI today? Well, it's certainly an ugly move, but when you get long here as a day trader and you get a $2 move in 10 or 15 minutes, day traders understand how much money can be made. That's the third day in a row I've made money calling and trading SI. All right, anyway, let's go back to the daily and talk about what we're watching tomorrow. Real quick, let me put up my announcement. All right, there it is. Pause the video. Most of you have seen this 1,000 times, but if you're watching my video for the first time, pause it and read that whole thing, right? It boils down to I'm a pure play day trader. I don't hold overnight. All of these are intraday trades based on, you know, starting with the daily chart as a watch list. All right, so having said all that, let's go into what we're watching for tomorrow. Roku, nice breakout, but closing, looks like closing off its highs. We'll see. I'm going to watch that for a follow through tomorrow. Same with TWLO. Carvana, CVNA, let me zoom in a little bit here. You had the pop yesterday, inside day today. Again, things are looking kind of ugly right now, but I don't know how these are going to look at the closing bell. BYND, I don't know, rumors of a takeover, topped at 18 today, so maybe through 18 tomorrow or one of these days. I don't love trading stuff that have takeover rumors, but I'm going to watch it anyway. CYH, let me pan out and show you this big breakout today. I believe this was on earnings. So it topped so far right at $8. Certainly a possible follow-through day tomorrow. We'll see if we get an A+ intraday setup. Speaking of takeover chatter, MANU, which is Manchester United, big breakout today. I don't know, there was an alleged offer coming, and somehow traders are able to do the math and figure out what that equates to per share. I don't know, I'm not that smart, but with this thing, it's certainly in play, so we're going to keep it on watch. HLF is Herbalife, had the big breakout yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. Wish, WISH, topped out at 97 cents yesterday, topped out at 97 cents today. 96.9 to be exact. We're going to round up to 97. Certainly interesting over 97 tomorrow. The daily's interesting. TTD, big breakout yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. And then lastly, DVN, couple nasty red days. Back here in September, this thing bounced right around $55. So we'll see if we get any kind of maybe initial selling in the morning. You also have another lower spike down here in what, August? That went down to 53. But anyway, it's a couple nasty days in a row. If we get some early selling tomorrow, I might look for an intraday reversal. Again, remember, just for a day trade is not really a pretty chart, but it could be short-term oversold. And that's it. Not a very big list. We'll add gappers to this as we always do in the pre-market. And I will see everybody in the chat room in the morning.